Hello students, drawings help you to understand a topic better and also help you with a better recall. Let's therefore draw this topic, which is typical synovial joint. Let's draw the synovial joint, students. Here is one bone which ends in a convexity. We will call it the male end. This is the other bone which ends in a concavity. We will call it the female end. Cover both of these with the help of an articular cartilage. Over the male end, the articular cartilage will be thicker in the center, thinner in the periphery. Over the female end, it will be the opposite, thicker in the periphery, thinner in the center. Join the two bones with the help of a nice, thick joint capsule, holding the two bones together. Now line your joint cavity with the help of a thin synovial membrane. Remember, your synovial membrane lines all parts of the joint which are not covered by the articular cartilage. Okay, I usually make my synovial membrane dotted because I think that it's a very thin structure and therefore should be given that appearance. That decision is yours. Now take some colors and color your articular cartilage. That completes the diagram of synovial joint.